Hi, this is Dakarazu from GMAT Lounge. In this recording, we're going to be dealing with divisibility by 6 and divisibility by 9. Okay, again, we're talking about integers. So I would say that an integer, let me write it down, an integer n is divisible by 6 if it is divisible by 2 and you guessed it, 3. Okay, because remember that when a number is divisible by 6 it is divisible by 3, and the main reason for this, I don't have to spend too much time on this, it's just that 6 is equal to 3 times 2. Okay, so a number divisible by 6 has to be divisible by 3 and 2. Now practically all you have to do is choose a number that is even. Okay, so practically speaking, um, n must be an even number, an even integer. Okay, that's definitely important. It is actually necessary, and also okay, and also since it's divisible by 3, the sum of the digits of n must be a multiple of 3. Okay, for example, 120. Let's choose the number 120. 120 is divisible by 6, which means I mean to again, since 120 is even and 1 plus 2 plus 0, which is equal to 3, is a multiple of 3. Okay, very simple. We don't really have to spend too much time on this. It doesn't matter the number, no matter how big it is. It has to be an even number, and the sum of the digit of that number, that integer, has to be a multiple of 3. Now let's turn our attention to divisibility by 9. Divisibility by 9 is very similar to the divisibility by 3. Remember, a number is divisible by 3 when the sum of its digit is divisible by 3. 9 is essentially the same. A number is divisible by 9 is the sum of its digit is divisible by 9. Let's write it down. An integer n is divisible by 9 if the sum of its digits is divisible by 9, is a multiple of 9 if you want. Okay, remember, I sometimes I say divisible, sometimes I say multiple. Either one, it's the same thing. Okay, so for example, choose a number like maybe a big number. Oh, you can choose actually a simple number, 81. 81. Obviously, you guys know that 81 is divisible by 9, but is divisible by 9 since 8 plus 1 equal 9 is a multiple of 9. Okay. You can choose a big number. You can even create the number. Like the number may be 216. This number should be divisible by 9. This was the first example. Okay, this is a 216 divisible by 9, since 2 plus 1 plus 6 is equal to 9. Okay. Now, the sum doesn't have to be exactly 9. It could be 18. It could be, any number that is a multiple of 9. Okay. But ultimately, you need to get a sum that is a multiple of 9, not necessarily 9 itself. Okay. And then you can be assured that the integer is divisible by 9. Okay, this was pretty, easy, I think, for you guys, just to make sure that you guys understand these fundamental things, okay, before you move forward with number properties. Okay, thank you again for watching. This is Dakar Azu from GMAT Lounge. Thank you. Bye.